Hello students, this is the teacher Padma. In the previous video, we discussed about the meaning of profit and non-profit organization. In this video, we are going to start with the difference between profit and non-profit organization. Profit organizations are operated primarily with the motive of earning profits, whereas non-profit organizations are operated primarily with the motive of rendering services to the society. Production and distribution of goods and services are the main function of the profit organizations, whereas the main function of the non-profit organization is to help people. In profit organization, risk is high, whereas in non-profit organization, risk is low. In profit organizations, net results of operations are calculated in profit or loss, whereas in non-profit organization, net results of operations are calculated as surplus or deficit. Profit organizations has to pay tax, whereas non-profit organizations, their tax are exempted. Government grants are not available for profit organizations, whereas government grants are available for non-profit organizations. Organization of non-profit organizations. There exists a wide variety of non-profit organizations. Some of them are member serving while the others are community serving. Mutual societies, cooperatives, trade unions, clubs serve their members. Red Cross, Child Relief, and You, HelpAge are the examples of community serving organizations. Although non-profit organizations generate surplus revenue, but the surplus is not distributed. Non-profit organizations are usually organized as societies, trusts, and non-profit companies. Societies. A society is a group of 10 or more persons who associate voluntarily and register it under the Cooperative Societies Act 1912 to protect and promote their common interests. Every member has one vote and the society is managed by an executive committee elected by the members. The executive committee elects president, vice president, secretary, and joint secretary. Kaira District Cooperative Society, producer of Amul brand milk products, is an example. Trust. Trusts are set up to further social causes such as public health and education. Trusts are exempted from income tax. A trust is formed when a rich person or entity transfers property in cash or kind and a trust agreement is executed. The trust is registered under the Indian Trusts Act. The trust is managed by a group of trustees for the beneficiaries. In India, trusts run temples, educational institutions, medical institute, etc. Sir Dorabji Tata Trust offers scholarships to students belonging to weaker sections of the society for pursuing higher education. Non-profit companies. A non-profit company is a company that is registered under the Companies Act 2013 for purposes other than earning profits and distributing them to its members. It is managed by a board of directors. The directors are elected by the members of the company.